One of the great things about the Google Calendar is that you can change the way you view it. Currently, we are viewing the calendar by week, and we have the weekends included in this view. However, we could change that by coming to this drop down box here at the top, clicking it, and let's say we want to keep the week view, but we want to take off weekends. Then we would simply uncheck this box, and now we're just looking at Monday through Friday. We could also change the view to see what's happening by day. We can change the view again to see what's happening by month. But one of the coolest features is that you can view it as a schedule so that you can kind of view this as your things to do for the day. Um, these are the different ways that you can view Google Calendar. So spend a little time clicking this drop box and going through some of the features. I hope this was helpful.